What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Velo today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into this. This is at the request of the Oz man. Oz, we're doing this for you. Sorry for the late reply, but we're getting to it. I've been bad about the YouTube comments lately, man. Velo, I believe it's the red Velo, right? Not Velodrome. We can do Velodrome too. By the way, Velodrome actually does look very bullish here. Velodrome, you've got a very nice W pattern, right? Looks fantastic. I would think that once you break out of this, you're going to move all the way up to this high point over here. I mean, that's, 37.43 cents. You're at 5.7 cents now. So that's fantastic growth. I mean, maybe even 55 cents. Fantastic growth in a short amount of time. Probably by the end of August. All these W patterns have been leading crypto right on track to the upside for various cryptos. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one stuck with that game plan as well. But looking at Velo on the red one, I think this is the one, right? I've just given a brief explanation of what my expectations are here because I'm pretty sure this is not the one you want. But this is the one that you're talking about, right? It's got the higher market cap. I'm pretty sure this would be the one. Anyways, it's like you type in Velo. This is the one that's on top. I would think this is it. Anyways, Velo, I always forget which one it is. Looking very bullish indeed on the weekly RSI. Looks like you want to get into that overbought zone. Okay, you've bounced off of this area a few times in the RSI, off this 40 area, 35 to 45 area. Bounced off of it a few times and gotten into the overbought zone every single time afterwards. So I would think that you do go into the overbought zone here. Once you do that, I mean, there are triple tops. Triple tops do exist, right? Where you could get a one top here, two tops here, and then a triple top, maybe, sure. Maybe you could have a triple top and then top off there, but most of the time triple tops are actually just inevitable breakthroughs, right? Maybe you consolidate for a second and then you rip through. I would think by the end of August, I mean, maybe even by the end of July, you'll be up here. But by the end of August, you should be at dramatically higher prices than what you have even at the top there at 3.8 cents. Looking at this from a high to a low, let's see here. The target area that I would anticipate that you achieve would be something on the lines. I mean, you're at 1.4 cents now, or no, 1.8 cents now. 1.9 cents almost. The target area I would think you achieve at a minimum would be about 9 cents to 12 cents. I mean, maybe you move all the way up to, dude, that'd be crazy. I don't think you go all the way up to 44 cents. No way. I mean, maybe by the end of the cycle, but not right now. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think something between a 9.5 to 12 cent area is fine. 22 cents could be the target, and that's about a 14x from here. If not there, then 44 cents, that's a 23x, something like that. I guess it is possible that you could go to 44 cents, but something between 9.5 to 44 cents, that'd be my guess. If I really had to guess, it'd be like 25 to 10 cents. I like that area personally. And that'll likely be where you are by the end of August. If we're looking at this on a 1 hour time frame here, that's my daughter, if you hear her. I don't know why she's doing that. 1 hour RSI looks kind of bearish. You might come down a little bit, and that's okay. Maybe one final flush out to the downside, find support at 1.77 cents, and then move up. 4 hour time frame here. The 4 hour looks bullish. I don't know. The 4 hour trumps the 1 hour. So 2 hours, 53 minutes left. If you can close this candle green, then you're moving up. I take back any downside. You're just moving up right now. If this 4 hour comes down and closes red, then maybe you do move down to like 1.7 cents, 1.8 cents. Daily RSI looks great. I would like it. I would actually like it if you did come down and close red a little bit, right? Get this RSI out of the overbought zone. That reinforces the idea that you probably consolidate for a few more days. And then next week you can start to rip up higher. That's my expectation. I don't really have anything else that I want to say. I think I've said everything that I need to say. We can talk about all-time high potential real quick. Velo's got $139 million market cap. So with that kind of a market cap, you could see exceptional growth. 100x is absolutely possible. Even a 200x is possible with this thing. And even more than that. But, if we were to put that in price perspective, a 100x would be about $1.70, $1.90, $2, something like that, right? 200x would be somewhere around about like $3.70, like $3.86, $3.80, something like that. I saw it briefly. Let's see. I don't know why she's doing all that, but she's just having fun. She's a little 3-year-old having fun. Let's see. If you guys hear it. If not, you're just like, what are you talking about? It would be, a 200x would be right there at $3.87. And with that kind of a market cap, I mean, you could even see deeper targets than that. A 200x would be about $27 billion in market cap. I mean, you could double that even. You know, like crazy. You have crazy, crazy potential with this thing. Does it happen? That's the question, right? You could just as well stop at your current all-time highs, which, hey, that's fine too. That's 100x from here. Time will tell. But I definitely think you'll see prices around your all-time highs, prices above $1, if not above $2. I definitely think that you'll get there. If not, double that, triple that, man. I got nothing else for you guys, though. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way, those all-time high target areas, the end of cycle stuff, that's expected to happen probably, I don't know, or if we're guessing here, sometime between December and May 2025 to 2026. Take care. Bye-bye.